Hello students, today we will be discussing about the polymer and its monomer, because generally this type of question used to ask in CBSE, what are the monomers of the particular polymer. So let's understand one by one. So children, I have written polymers, a number of polymers over here. So we will be discussing each polymer and their monomer one by one. So let's take this first polymer, that is called as polythene. So the moment you are removing this poly word from its name, you will have an idea of its monomer. So remove poly word, so you will get thene. Thene is an incomplete name from ethene. So it means its monomer is ethene. What is the structure of ethene? CH2 double bond CH2. Okay. Now second one is polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl chloride, as I said, remove poly, then the leftover is called as the formula of the name or formula of monomer. So remove poly, the leftover is vinyl chloride. It means the monomer is vinyl chloride. The third is polyacrylonitrile. So in this, remove poly for few seconds, the leftover is acrylonitrile. Then remove poly, the leftover is styrene. So its monomer is styrene. Teflon, its full name is tetrafluoroethene. In short, it is called as Teflon. So the tetrafluoroethene is monomer and it is its polymer. So polymer full form is polytetrafluoroethene. So its monomer is this tetrafluoroethene. So let's understand their structure first, then we will go for another variety, because these are comparatively other variety and these all are approximately interdependent to each other. So this is the basic structure of ethene, CH2 double bond CH2. So in every variety of these all monomer, we have to do only single change. So vinyl chloride, if you are replacing 1H by Cl, the structure of monomer of vinyl chloride will develop. So which is there? CH2 double bond CHCl. For this, Cn is required. In this, which is required? Cl. In this, cyanide. Cyanide is having suffix name nitrile. So the structure will be CH2 double bond CHCN. Styrene. If you will replace that hydrogen of ethene by benzene ring, then that is called as styrene. Okay. Tetrafluoroethene means all four hydrogen to be replaced by fluorine. So the formula is CF2 double bond CF. So now we will discuss about the equation part of every polymer and its monomer. So for polythene, the monomer was ethene. So let's write n molecules of ethene. I have written in 11th class there was a topic homolytic fission. So there homolytic fission between carbon and carbon will take place, so that one single bond will fission equally, so that one part of bond will develop this side and another part of bond will develop this side, and double bond will change into single bond. N number of molecules means more than 10 to the power 7 molecules will participate in the reaction. So the reaction you will be writing like this. So this is the formation of polymer and it is polythene. For writing polyvinyl chloride, in short polyvinyl chloride is called as PVC. So in PVC nothing special you have to do, you have to write the same equation but only H to be replaced by chlorine. Then same, this bond will split equally. So this will be polyvinyl chloride. So for pen, only Cl to be substituted by Cl, other part will be same. Now if we want to complete it with Teflon, then it will be quite easy, only to replace hydrogen by fluorine. So here fluorine will be there, rest all part will be same. If you want to write for styrene, then for styrene only benzene ring need to be placed like this. It was styrene, so polystyrene formula will be this. So this way you can develop the structure.